channel. This is Dehlia from Dehlia's Place. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified when we put out new videos. If you've been rocking with us from the beginning, welcome back. So as the title says, we're going to talk about Miss Ivany Wright. So if you don't have no idea who Miss Ivany Wright because you've been living under a rock, or because you just don't follow social media, I'm going to fill you in on who Ivany Wright is. Now, she rose to fame, and I use that term carelessly. She rose to fame by hacking pages. Shauna Controller page, she hacked Renee 630 page. Well, she hacked. Well, it is alleged that she hacked Queen Nikki page, that is Marvin's girlfriend, baby mother / baby mother. Right? She hacked totally approximately 7 pages. She's been accused. She has admitted to some she not admit to. Well, okay, so that's how she rose to fame. Right? So I came across her one day. I was scrolling through Instagram and I came across her, and I came across her on Instagram one day. I was scrolling along and somebody was talking about it and they tagged her page. So I went on her page and I started following her, and I started following her to see what go happen to her, because me just figured that somebody go kill her. You understand? Or something bad go happen to her. Because if you don't know, when you're on social media and you have a myriad of following, you have a following. Some people, not everybody, some people use that following to make a living. This is how they send their kids to school. This is how their bills are paid. This is how they buy them car. This is how they pay them car loan. This is just basically how they survive. Just like how I go to work every single morning and you probably go to work every single morning, it's their job. So if she's hacking the page, meaning she take away the page, delete everything on it and take over the page, you're taking away somebody's income. So the person's followers are gone. So the person have to rebuild from zero, from number 0. So some people have 200 and odd followers, 100 and odd followers, 90 odd thousand followers. You know how hard it is to build 900 followers, much less to build 90,000? And she know I take away the people on page like it's nothing. Some of these people on Instagram or these influencers, they don't work. This is their income. And for somebody to remove the income like that, it's just not right. So I wanted to see what would have happened to her. About 2 weeks ago, I noticed that she got this gig at Berber Beach in Falmouth, right? Where she was supposed to host a show. And the package came with a perk where she got to stay at the S Hotel, and she stayed at one of the Royaltons as well. And she appeared humble at the time, and I had said at the time that, boy, like she realized what social media can do for her, so she has straightened up herself now and she can start make money. Because me also say she had do promotions, and me know them get paid from doing promotions for people. So, and she had in her tears, and I said thanks, and then something there, and I was saying that okay, it looked like say she get a vision, and I said okay, people actually like her, so she can live now. You know, she has a story, her backstory, where she never grew up in a low life, and she never have no father, and life was good for her in her young days. But now I thought now she see the opportunity, she's going to run with it. Alright. She go at the place, she did well apparently, and she get her pay, and she nice. During that time period there, you know, let them take away her page, right? So me I say okay, she going come back, and she can't come. I was thinking that she can't come back, but she come back. I say alright, she popular already. All she need to do is just rebuild her page, and her followers, if they were genuine and they want to see what happened to her, they would refollow her. Cause I would refollow her, because I like to see people strive. I don't like when people do something and fail. I like when people strive. So I say okay. I say she come back with one page. So I say, boy, she get one page. When I looked at the page had like 110,000 subscribers. And I was like, how she have? Then she went live, and I realized that she stole somebody's page. This girl named Abby, she steal Abby page. Poor Abby. Poor Abby. Ain't poor little Abby, no, she thief Abby page. And she going live on Abby's page, and like she a go live and she a talk up the things them about Abby, and I threaten Abby, and I say Abby, if Abby continue talking, she will spill the tea on Abby. Girl, seriously? Why didn't you just build a page for yourself. Try to get back your followers with what you have been doing all along that made people follow you in the first place, which was not, you never have to keep no page because you have the popularity now. You had followers and those followers apparently them like you and you look and you the way you are. So stealing somebody's page does not look good. Imagine somebody need the page to send them kids go school, pay them bills, pay them rent and whatever else them have to pay. And you go box the food out of the people their mouth and you still expect say the God in heaven is going to smile. Don't mean I know which God you serve, but the one them where everybody else serve no works so. See me? So anyway, in the evening now, me didn't watch her live. She kept coming live. One at a time now she come live. And she was walking on her way to Mega Mart. She was walking to Mega Mart in her neighborhood. And the Mega Mart never fired. I mean, I think it is a 10-minute walk to the Mega Mart where she lives, right? She decides that she and her friend go in a one taxi and don't pay the man. So she go in a taxi. When the man and drop them off, she and her friend decides if they run. So the man run them down, you see pan the live, everything pan the live, and I hear say I see me see pan the live for myself. The man run them down, and when the man run them down and thing, the man must have hold on. Not the man hold on the friend because she never really video that part. But the man has said, pay me money, pay me money, pay me money. So the friend paid the money. And she goes to the friend when he paid the man for. So me say, you know, so that girl here is on a fast track downwards because boy, these things on it. Why, Ivany? Why was that necessary? That never necessary. Anyway, night come down, I go on my bed, forget about Ivany. So in the morning, I wake up on something and I check my phone and check my messages and, you know, scroll through. I was greeted by this video right here.
No, video can video her. Video her and put it on YouTube and make people say she get gunshot.
Yeah, give me a phone. Yeah, I'm calling.
Yeah. So, can you imagine? Can you imagine? She got shot. 3 shots. The girl get 3 shots. 3. One in her side and one in her leg and one somewhere else. But me there to tell you, Ivany say, people them never want to kill you. They didn't want to kill you. Because if they wanted to kill you, you would be dead, 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 dead. They never want to kill you. It is a warning. It's a warning them give you. You cannot box food out of people kids mouth like that. You cannot do that. You are charged $150 for promote between $100 and $150 for promote somebody for things for somebody for 1 week. Right? Yeah, that's what you're charging. Imagine somebody who have more followers than you, how much money they are making. You made, by your words, $95,000 2 weeks ago just by spending 15 minutes on a stage at Berber Beach in Falmouth. And you still come back and try box food out of people's mouth? You're lucky them never kill you. I am not reveling in your downfall, and no Instagram page that you have taken is worth your life, but you need to take yourself into hand. You need to check yourself, my girl. You need to check yourself. You have had a bad life, bad life, and you come and the God where you serve, I bless you. But you don't have to go to work. I'm every morning I have to get up out of my bed with my backache and find myself at work. And you get up out of your bed and take up your phone a morning time and make money on your phone every morning. That's what you do. You've been blessed. And you are trying to take somebody else's blessing? Say God no. Why? What I'm gonna talk about people them don't belong. Who are you to say people don't belong on Instagram? Maybe you, when you bet you're going to hack my page. But girl, me not have enough followers for you hack it. You see me? right? So them shoot her, and there are some people who are celebrating, and some who are concerned, and then you have on the other end of the spectrum now, this other girl named Tease Loco now, she said that she feels that Ivany set it up, and I go find it. She put it on our Facebook this morning, so I'm going to find it for you guys, and I'm going to read what she said. This is what Steez said. Steez Unstoppable said on our Facebook page this morning. This is what she said. Ivany loves attention. I honestly think this is a stunt. 3 shots only in her hands and foot. Remember, she loves pain. Her words. Right? She also went on to say if someone wanted to kill her, they could have. Plus, she was on her live telling people she was gonna be at Mega Mart constantly. Like, okay, why you keep telling your location? This is someone that enjoys cutting herself. She loves pain and have said it over and over. That's why she has so many tattoos and piercings. I honestly think she did it to herself for sympathy. Narcissistic will go to any length to get attention. I really don't think somebody would go so far as to hurt themselves for that. You could have dead. She risked her life for attention. Me not feel so. In my opinion, I think that she just went too far and wanted somebody decide to teach her a lesson. It could be one person. It could be a person who's for pay she thief. It could be somebody who just tired her and her foolishness. But I highly doubt it was random. So I have a message for Ivany. Girlfriend, you are sitting on a gold mine. Right? Your Instagram page and your YouTube channel can make you a decent income where you no longer have to be renting a furnished house. You can buy your own furniture where you want. Zine, you have been blessed to have a manager, your words, that look out for you. Okay? And so you need to stop. This is a warning, because as I said before, if whomever shot you wanted you dead, you'd be dead, dead, dead. There's no two ways about it. You'd be dead, girl. So unless you have a death wish, and remember that your father come on and talk about, say, him have your burial money put on because he expects that you go dead. You want for him wish to come true? You want him to laugh and say, yes, me didn't know, so the little girl go dead? Do you want that? You need to take a serious look into yourself and decide what you want from life. Is either you want life or you want death. One of the two. And if you're doing this for attention, this is no way to get attention. Because then you're messing with the meds of people who actually care about you. So you have to move from one extreme to another. You're bringing people through an emotional storm with you. People who actually care with you, and that's not good either. You see me? So if you survive, or you will survive, because as far as me see, you're in a serious, you're not gonna dead. You're not gonna dead. So if you survive and you come back out and you have your Instagram page, you build the page on your own, and you make a name and be successful on your own without taking people down. It will take people time to forgive you and forget and whatever. But after a while, those things that you've done will just be a fading memory, and people will look at, if you start being positive, people will look at how you have changed your and turn around your life. You need to stop the foolishness, my girl. It's not cute. It's not cute. Me know you're not trying to be cute, but god damn it, man, do not take people's livelihood like that. Don't play with people's livelihood like that. The same way you know how it feels to be hungry, it's the same way the person who for paid you take know how it feels to be hungry. Being hungry is no state to be in for anybody, and most of these people have children that they're supporting. You can't determine who feed up on Instagram or who not feed up on. That is not your right. You own Instagram? Eh? When they employ you over there, they employ you over there? Girl, you need to stop it. You need to stop. Just stop the foolishness. This not make no sense. So guys, that is my little take on whatever happened. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. If you're already subscribed, thank you for the support, guys. Until next time, bye. Oh, we have a question and answer coming out as well very soon, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be really, just let's say it's going to be fun. Okay guys, bye.